The top 5 educational toys for kids ages 5 to 7 ranking based on customer reviews as of October 22, 2024. Prices range from $17.46 to $29.99. Here are the top 5 rated products. The 1 ranked product is Hand2 Mind Math Link Cubes Numberblocks 1. With a review score of 4.8 and priced at $18.82. The 2 ranked product is Snap Circuits Jr. with a review score of 4.8 and priced at $29.99. The 3 ranked product is Spirograph Jr. with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $17.46. The 4 ranked product is Kids Rock Painting Kit with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $19.99. The 5 ranked product is National Geographic Mega Fossil Dig Kit with a review score of 4.7 and priced at $24.99. The 1 ranked product is Hand2 Mind Math Link Cubes Numberblocks 1 to 10 Activity Set. 30 preschool learning activities, counting blocks, linking cubes, educational toys for kids, number games, math manipulatives kindergarten. Review score 4.8. Review count 9,619 ratings. Price $18.82. Customers like. Customers find the toy building blocks to be educational, fun, and a good value for money. They mention that it provides hours of imaginative play and keeps their kids entertained. Some also say the stickers hold up well. Customers dislike, however. Some customers disagree on the ease of assembly. The 2 ranked product is Snap Circuits Jr. SC100 Electronics Exploration Kit. Over 100 projects. Full color project manual. 28 parts. STEM educational toy for kids 8+. Review score 4.8. Review count 27,245 ratings. Price $29.99. Customers like. Customers find the Science Fundamentals Kit educational, fun, and easy to use. They mention it's perfect for introducing kids to basic DC circuits and great for teaching them how to follow instructions. Some also say the designs are super easy to assemble and the snap-on components simplify the learning process. Overall, customers are satisfied with the quality and build of the product. Customers dislike. No info. The 3 ranked product is Spirograph Jr. Jumbo-sized gears classic retro toy for spiral drawing art design toy kit for smaller hands. For kids ages 3 and up. Review score 4.7. Review count 11,093 ratings. Price $17.46. Customers like. Customers like the ease of use, fun designs, and size of the Artcraft kit. They mention it's a good toy for fostering creativity. Perfect for keeping their child occupied while you are working from home. And it comes in a sturdy box. Customers dislike. No info. The 4 ranked product is Kids Rock Painting Kit, Glow in the Dark, Arts and Crafts Easter Gifts for boys and girls ages 6 to 12. Craft Activities Kits, Creative Art Toys for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12-year-old kids. Review score 4.7. Review count 3,464 ratings. Price $19.99. Customers like. Customers find the Artcraft kit fun for kids, with great colors and gift value. They mention it keeps the kids busy for hours, and has plenty of paint color and sticker options. Some also like the ease of use. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have mixed opinions on the glow factor, value for money, and paint consistency. The 5 ranked product is National Geographic Mega Fossil Dig Kit. Excavate 15 genuine prehistoric fossils. Kids Fossil Kit. Educational toys. Great science kit gift for girls and boys. Amazon exclusive. Review score 4.7. Review count 17,376 ratings. Price $24.99. Customers like the fun, educational value, and value for money of the Science Fundamentals kit. They mention it's an enjoyable activity that keeps them entertained for a few days. Some appreciate the informative materials and accompanying booklet. Some also say it's a great buy and worth the cost. Customers also like the assortment of fossils inside. Customers dislike, however, some dislike the messiness and have mixed opinions on the ease of breaking.